my dear kids, welcome back to your classes. I'm your teacher, Miss Meenal Buddhi Raja from Vidyabal Bhavan Public School of Grade 2 taking your EVS. So kids, we are doing chapter number 8, Houses We Live In. Yes, we were doing chapter number 8 and till today we have completed our book exercises and new words. So now what we have to do? We are going to do today keywords and question answers. What we are going to do today? Keywords and question answers. And where we have to do? In our notebook. Yes. So today is your notebook work. So take out your notebook. Write down today's date and classwork. And kids, please write in a good handwriting, in a proper format. Note down question and answers both. Okay, so let's start with our notebook work.
So, what is today's date? Today's date is 30th July 2020. And we are doing classwork. So, you have to write CW. And which lesson we are doing? Lesson number 8. And the name of the lesson is Houses We Live In. And first, what we are going to do in notebook? Keywords. So, write down like this only. Number 1 is Kacha house. Number 1 is Kacha house. As the word is saying Kacha. So, a house made up of. Kacha house is made up of, kids. It is not strong now. So, it is made up of wood, mud, straw and dry leaves. Kacha house is made up of wood, mud, straw and dry leaves. An example of Kacha house is hut. Okay. Number 2, nomads. Number 2 is nomads. And what does it mean? People who travel from. People who travel from place to place for their livelihood. Livelihood means if they want to have food, business, etc. That's why we use the term livelihood. People who travel from place to place for their livelihood to earn money. People who travel from place to place for their livelihood are known as nomads. Now turn the page, take out a fresh page, write down date and classwork again. On a fresh page you have to do this work. Again you have to write down the date and classwork. So write down lesson number. We are doing lesson number 8. And the name of the lesson is Houses We Live In. And now we are going to do question answers. Question 1 is, why do we need a house? Question 1 is, why do we need a house? And the answer for this question is, we need house. We need house to live in. We need house to live in and house protect us from. So you have to write like this. We need house to live in. It protects us from heat, cold, rain and bad weather. So answer is, we need house to live in. It protects us from heat, cold, rain and bad weather. Now come to the question number 2. And what is that? Question 2 says, what is a temporary house? What is a temporary house? So the answer for this question is house that can be moved from one place to another. House that can be moved from one place to another. I am repeating once again. House that can be moved from one place to another. Such house is known as temporary house. Okay, now come to the next question. We have done question 2. So now turn for question number 3. What is an igloo? What is an igloo? Answer for this question is an igloo is a house made up of snow. An igloo is a house made up of snow. Okay, once again read it. An igloo is a house made up of snow. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. Why do some houses have slanting roofs? Question 4 is, why do some houses have slanting roofs? And the answer for this question is, answer for some houses have slanting roofs. Some houses have slanting roofs to allow the rain or snow to fall down easily. Some houses have slanting roofs to allow the rain or snow to fall down easily. Look at the answer once again carefully, kids, and note it down as well as.
So kids, we have done with our notebook work. I hope you have done in a good handwriting. Now what else we have to do today? We have to do extra questions. Yes, kids, for the extra questions, please read the chapter carefully once again. And these extra questions have to be done in your notebook. For your practice purpose, you can note it down in your rough notebook, not in your notebook, fair notebook. So you can side by side note them in your rough notebook. So let's start with our extra questions.
So here are the extra questions for you. Number 1 is fill in the blanks. Number 1 is fill in the blanks. So here is first for you. House protects us from. House protects us from. Number 1, heat. Number 2, cold. Number 3, rain and bad weather. House protects us from heat, cold, rain and bad weather. Through thieves also they protect us. So it's up to you whatever you want to write here. Options are many. I have given you few options over here. I have given you options heat, cold, rain and bad weather. B. A dash is a floating house. A dash is a floating house. As a floating giving you hint, So the answer is houseboat. A houseboat is a floating house. Number third, dash can be easily folded and carried along. Dash can be easily folded and carried along, made up of canvas. So the answer is tents. Okay, now come to next. Number 4. House made of snow known as. House made of snow known as igloos. House made of snow known as igloos. Number 5. Nomads live in houses on wheels called. Who are nomads? People who travel from one place to another in search of their food, business, that is called livelihood. So nomads live in a house on wheels called wheel caravans. Yes, house that is on wheel. So that is called wheel caravans. Now question number 2. What you have to do in this question, you have to fill in the missing letters. What you have to do in this question, you have to fill the missing letters. Number 1, here is a picture for you so that you can easily fill the blanks. Can you see the picture? Now let's start filling the blanks. So STILT, that become stilt. So now rest of them is OS, that become house. So the answer is stilt house. Now there is one more for you. That is, see the picture carefully, then start filling the blanks. Have you seen the picture carefully? So now let's start filling the blanks. First A, H, H, that become kacha, and then O, S. So the answer is kacha house. So these were your extra questions.
Kids, now we have done with our extra questions as well as. So what is your homework for today? Kids, revise your lesson number 7 and 8. I am repeating once again, lesson number 7 and 8 for your class test on 6th of August 2020. Yes, as I have told you earlier, to prepare your chapter for your test. So now I am going to take your class test of lesson number 7 and 8 on 6th August. Prepare well, do all the questions, extra questions, book exercise, whatever I have taken in your class. So kids, till then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day.